Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let me quickly share with you guys the indicator setting, and then I'll explain how this simple strategy works. Okay, so the first thing is to go set up your the first thing you have to do here is to click on this icon. So after clicking on that, the first indicator we have here is the Ichimoku. Alright, so you have to click on this icon here and then you search for the Ichimoku. Alright, so the parameters, alright, so these are the parameters. Alright, so these are the parameters for the Ichimoku. Alright, so make sure you copy everything you are seeing here down somewhere, or you can take a screenshot. Alright, we have 9, 25 and 52 here. Alright, so after setting that up, under the star you can see everything here. Alright, so it's only this one here that is 3 pixel and the color is blue. Alright, the remaining one you should make it 1 pixel and then you make the color of your background from this area here. Okay, so that is all for this one. Alright, so after that you click on save. Alright, now after that, the next indicator here is the average directional movement index. Okay, so you click on this icon here again and then you search for this one right here. Okay, so after searching for that, you click on it. Now the parameters, the period here is 1. Under the star you can see the star here is 1 pixel. The color, you make the color of your background. The D plus D1 is 1 pixel. You make the color of your background. This one here also 1 pixel, the color of your background. Okay, now the levels, which is the most important thing here, you are going to be setting it to 80 and 20. Okay, so you make this here 2 pixel, you make the color black. Okay, so after that you go back and you click on save. Alright, so you are done with the average directional movement index. Alright, so before you add the MACD, which is our next indicator here, you have to click on this icon, the second icon here, and then you search for the MACD. Now after searching for the MACD, you click on it. You can see the fast EMA here is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close. Under the style, the main is 1 pixel. The signal, you make it 3 pixel, you make the color red. Right, so after that you click on save. Okay, now the last indicator here is moving average. Right, so you have to click on this icon here again and you search for the moving average. Okay, so the parameters for this one, the period is 1, applied to is the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its previous indicators data. Under the style we have 3 pixel, you make the color green, and for this one there's no level, so you click on save. You go back, you are going to have a screen like this one. Alright, once you do everything I'm saying currently, you are going to have a screen like this one. Alright, so as you can see here, there's just a simple condition there. There are just going to be simple conditions that you need to observe before taking entry with this strategy. Okay, so first thing is that you want to see this green line here cross below the red here on the indicator window, and also on the main chart you want to see that price cross below the blue Ichimoku line. Alright, so once you see these two criteria being met, alright, once you see the both of them crosses, Alright, whichever one that cross first, you wait for the second one to cross also. Then immediately it crosses, you are to go in for 5 candles. Okay, you go in for 5 candles and you exit the market. It's as simple as that. Okay, you should not stay more than 5 candles, because this market you cannot predict it. Alright, sometimes it will go your way and sometimes it will go against you, so you only do what you know that you are going to be safe with it. Okay, so that is all for this one, guys. So what I want you guys to do now is to make sure you backtest the strategy. Alright, to go and backtest the strategy. Don't just take my words for it. I always say it. Okay, you backtest. Once you see that it's working fine for you, then you can go ahead and use the strategy. Alright, and for those of you who are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and guys, don't forget to give the video a like if you are getting value from it. Alright, so for the zoom level, you zoom out completely. Okay, zoom out completely, and then you zoom in one, you zoom in twice. Okay, you zoom out completely, you zoom in 1, 2. Alright, this is the zoom level for this strategy. Alright, so I think that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.